Hello students, in this video we are going to solve exercise 15.3 of data handling and this is for class 6. The book is L Aggarwal. We have already uploaded the different exercises earlier. You can check the link above for the same. Now we are going to do exercise 15.3 here. In this we will see two things. One, analysis of a bar graph. Second thing, how to make a bar graph. Fine. So let's start with the first question. And if you like the video, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. So let's start. So the first question is like, observe the adjoining bar graph showing the number of students in the particular class of a school. एक स्कूल के एक क्लास में डिफरेंट ईयर्स में कितने स्टूडेंट्स थे उसका ये ग्राफ है. एज यू कैन सी इन 2012 देयर वर 30 students. Here there were 40. You can match it from here, like this is 40, then here it is 50, and at this place 60. Fine. In 2015 there were 60 students in that particular class. So every year we are taking, here the number of students are increasing by 10 every time. Fine. Now the question is, what is the scale of this graph? Scale क्या है? 1 unit height is equal to 10 students. 10 क्यों लिया? एडजेसेंट हमारी जो हाइट है उसमें हमारे पास 10 का गैप है. फाइन. सो एवरी टाइम देयर इज अ गैप ऑफ 10. Fine. So that's why 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Now how many students are added every year? हर साल कितने स्टूडेंट बढ़ जाते हैं? देखो यहाँ 30 थे, 40 हो गए, 50 हो गए, then 60. तो हर साल 10 students are increasing. So 10 students. हर साल 10 students क्लास में ऐड हो रहे हैं. Is the number of students in 2015 is twice of that of in 2012. अब 15 में 60 हैं, फाइन, एंड 2012 में 30. सो 30 का डबल है ये. उसने बोला क्या डबल या ट्वाइस है ये? सो द आंसर विल बी yes here in this case. Now is the second question. The graph is given in front of you. This shows the on one axis we have number of shirts sold and on other number of days, यानी कि किस दिन. this type of graph is known as horizontal graph. so यहाँ पे मंडे में हमारे पास 15 shirts हैं. fine. On Tuesday you have 10 shirts, you can see from the graph. On Wednesday you have 20, then on Thursday you have 35. Fine. Then Friday May we have 50 and on Saturday 60. Fine. So these are the number of shirts sold on different days. Now the questions. What information does the above graph bar graph give? कौन सी information ये above bar graph देता है? The graph shows the number of shirts sold from Monday to Saturday. Fine. It shows number of shirts sold from from Monday to Saturday. Fine. Now, what is the scale chosen on the horizontal line representing the number of shirts? Number of shirts देखो हर step में 5 increase हो रही है. So it is 1 unit height. 1 unit. अब यहाँ पे height की बजाय हम क्या use करते हैं? Length. So 1 unit length is equal to 5 shirts. Fine. Next, on which day were the maximum number of shirts sold? So that is on Saturday. Saturday में 60 shirts sold हुई. So maximum number of shirts are on Saturday. How many shirts were sold on that day? कितनी है? 60. On which day minimum number of shirts sold? Tuesday. Right. Then how many shirts were sold on Thursday? Thursday में कितनी shirts हमने sale की? 35. As you can see here, 35. So that was your question number 2. Now is question number 3. Make a table corresponding to the following graph. आपको ये ग्राफ दिया हुआ है और इसके अकॉर्डिंग आपको बनाना है टेबल. So इसमें हमारे पास x एक्सिस पर दिया हुआ है students favorite cricketer, so we have written that here, and on y-axis they have given us number of students. So number of students, they have given us what is the information that this graph is showing. स्टूडेंट्स का फेवरेट क्रिकेटर जो है वो कितने स्टूडेंट्स को कौन सा क्रिकेटर पसंद है. लाइक रोहित जो है वो कितने स्टूडेंट्स को पसंद है? अराउंड 10 को. 10 स्टूडेंट्स को रोहित पसंद है यहाँ पर. फिर है हमारे पास धोनी. धोनी देखिए हल्का सा ऊपर है, सो इट विल बी 16. देन कम्स विराट. विराट कितना है? इट इज नियर अबाउट 20. 20 स्टूडेंट्स को विराट पसंद है. देन कम्स अश्विन. अश्विन देखो यहाँ से अगर मैं ऐसे ड्रॉ करती हूँ इट इज लिटिल बिट अबव 5. फाइन, सो इट विल बी अराउंड 7. सो 7 स्टूडेंट्स को अश्विन पसंद. सो दिस इज द टेबल फॉर द अबव ग्राफ. 4. The following data shows, the following table shows the number of bicycles manufactured in a country during the year 2011 to 15. Illustrate this data using bar graph. तो हमें इसके लिए सबसे पहले तो एक बार ग्राफ बनाना है. So bar graph बनाने के लिए you will choose the scale. Scale के लिए we'll see the maximum and the minimum values. Fine. So इसमें maximum value हमारे पास क्या है? The maximum value here is 1200 and the minimum value is 600. 600 से लेके 1200 तक के बीच की values हैं that we will have to consider. Fine. So now we will choose, like we can choose 200, 400 also, so that we can easily make our graph. So let's see how we are going to up graph में. As you can see, we have a graph paper here. So first you are going to make a horizontal axis. Fine. So horizontal axis you will make on this dark line. It may be blue, it may be green. So इस dark line पर you are going to make a line, and on from the starting point you are going to make a vertical line. Every line must be drawn with the help of scale. छोटी से छोटी line भी scale की help से आप अपने graph में draw करेंगे. This is your origin. This is x-axis and this is your y-axis. Fine. So I am taking 1 centimeter is equal to 200. So it is 200, then 400, then 600, 800. 1 centimeter के gap पे I am doing the marking. Then it will be 1000, and after 1000 I have 1200 and 1400. Fine. And this side I am taking which number of bicycles manufactured. So here I'll be taking number of bicycles manufactured. Fine. Now on horizontal axis I'll be taking years. So it will be years. Fine. Now we'll start making the bar graph. So first reading is 800. So where is 800? I'll make a dot here and dot here. Fine. So this will be the box I'll be taking. So you're going to join these on the dark blue line holes only. So this will be your 800 and this is for 2011. So 2011. Now you will leave one box here. ये जो one box है आपको इसको छोड़ देंगे. Then you are going to make the next one here. Fine. So next one you are going to make here. So what is the reading for the next one? That is 600. So 600 kahan hai hamara? This one is 600. So on this line the 600 will be there. So you can make a rectangle here. This is your 600. You are going to make each and every line straight line with the help of scale only. Fine. Now your one box gap will be there, and next reading that we are going to have is कितना है हमारे पास next reading 900. So where will be the 900? In the mid of 800 and 1000. So this point will be of 900. Fine. So we'll move on this line and it will be somewhere here in the mid of it. Fine. So now you are going to join it from the bottom. That's how you are going to join it. Join it with the scale. This was your 600 and this is your 900. Fine. And this is for 2012, 2012, and this is for 2013. Now the next one box gap, same process again also. So it is the next reading that we are going to have is 1100. 1100 will be in the mid of 1000 and 1200. So we are going to get it somewhere here. Right. So I'm making first the horizontal line in the on the top and then joining it from the bottom. Okay. So let's join it. So we are going to join it. Fine. Now this one is your 1100 and this is for 2014. So I'm writing 2014 here. Now again leave the gap of one box. Fine. So next reading is 1200 in the end. So we are going to make the line for 1200. So as you can see this is 1200. So first I'll be making a horizontal line on the top. So this is your 1200 and this is for 2015. Fine. In this we are going to write the scale also. Scale will be 1 unit, height 200 bicycles. Now the questions. In which year the maximum number of bicycles manufactured? It is in 2015. In which year the minimum number of bicycle manufactured? It is in 2012. 2012 में हमारे पास सबसे कम bicycles manufacture हुई. As you can see from the graph also. Fine. So that's how you are going to draw a bar graph. सारी की सारी lines rough hand से नहीं बनानी है. You are going to use the scale for each and every line. Fine. The number of mathematics books sold by a shopkeeper in 6 consecutive days are as follows. So draw horizontal bar graph for this. इसके लिए हमें एक horizontal bar graph बनाना है. Horizontal graph में these are the things which are coming on y-axis, like we have taken all the days on y-axis starting from, and we have taken the data, that is number of books sold, on the x-axis. So days on y-axis and the data on x-axis. X-axis पर है हमारा number of books sold. We have taken from 10, 20, 30 starting from 0. Fine. Now you can see on Sunday 65 books are sold. So this is your 60. In the mid of it, here it will be 65. So you can make the dots here for the 65 and join the line accordingly. Fine. So this is your 65. Fine. So it will come till here. Fine. Now next is for Monday you have 40. So where is 40? This point is for 40. Fine. So you can join it here. You can write here also. It is for 65. This is 40. The next is Tuesday, which is 30. So this one is 30. So you can make first a horizontal line and then is your line for 30. Now next one is Wednesday 50. So where is 50? This one is 50. So you can go over in on the same line, fine, and make a rectangle here, fine. So this one is for 50. Next Friday, oh, we have left Thursday, so we'll be writing Thursday here. Okay, now for Thursday we have 20. So 20 will be right here, two boxes. So this is 20. In the end we have Friday we have 70. So where's 70? On this line we have 70, so it will be somewhere here, fine. So you can write your this part separately, fine. So this is 70, so we'll be making 70 here. Whole box you are going to take 70, fine. And this is 1 unit length is equal to 10 books. This is the scale. So this is your horizontal graph. This is how you are going to make the horizontal graph on the graph paper. So now is sixth question. In sixth question we have to draw a bar graph for the data given above, fine. So here they have given us the data for the age groups, fine. So let's see. As we have the number of person we have taken on y-axis and we have taken age group on x-axis, fine. We have taken the distance of 1 centimeter. As you can see the data, it is the minimum value is 40,000 and the maximum value is 2 lakh, fine. So we have started from 20,000, taken the gap of 20,000, like 20,000, 40,000, then 60, 80. This way we have gone up, fine. So like for the first one we have 2 lakh. So this one is your 2 lakh. So better to make a horizontal line first and then bring it down, fine. So you are going to use the scale for making of each and every line this way, fine. The next line will be like this and bring it down, fine. This is for age group of 1 to 14. So you can write here also 1 to 14 and you can write at this place also. So wherever you want to write you can write 1 to 14. Then the next one is 1,60,000. So where is 1,60,000? This one. So now you are going to make the horizontal line and vertical line accordingly. Vertical line will be making for this. So let's go. Fine. You are going to make every line with the help of scale. Now this is for age group of 15 to 29. So this is 15 to 29. Next is 30 to 34. It is 1,20,000. So this one is 1,20,000. So you bring it here and draw the vertical line accordingly. This one and write this is for age group is 30 to 44. Next is your 45 to 59, which is again 1,20,000. So same line will be repeated. Heights. This is for 45 to 59. Fine, 59. This is 59. Now next is 60 to 74, which is 80,000. So here is your 80,000 and the age group is 60 to 74. 60 to 74. Fine. Now next one is your 75 and above. This is your 40,000. So ये line यहाँ पर आ जाएगी. ये हो गया 75 and above. 75 and above. Fine. So next important thing is writing the scale. How you are going to write the scale? Like on y-axis you have taken the gap of 20,000. So it will be 1 unit height is equal to 20,000. अब ये क्या है? Persons. Number of persons लिए हैं तो number of persons मतलब that will be your scale. Fine. So that is your complete graph for this question. Now the question is, which age group have same number of population? किसकी same number of population है? As you can see, this and this have same number of population. So this is 30 to 44, 30 to 44 and 45 to 59. Next, all the person in the age group of 60 and above, fine, are called senior citizens. How many senior citizens are there in this town? कितने senior citizen हैं इस town में? 60 and above. 60 and above कितने हैं? एक तो 80,000 है और एक है 40,000. So इन दोनों को प्लस करेंगे, 80,000 plus 40,000, it is 1,20,000. These are the number of senior citizens in that particular city. Fine. So that was the end of this video. अगर आपको ये पसंद आई है, आपके लिए helpful है, तो please go like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching.